Welcome to the first Halocline release in 2023. With this release, we have completely redesigned the entry point to our application and all functions that are not done in VR but on the desktop. All already known product stages are available in one place via a joint installer, and all VR sessions can be started from here. In the first tab, you will find Assembly. The operation is similar to before. Additionally, you can now rename your data and sort the list view. In the second tab, you will find Layout. Your shop floors, work areas, and variants are available on the left side of the screen. There you can select individual elements and, as usual, access known functions via the context menu. On the right side, you have a new preview of your selected shop floor. Here you can click on individual areas and use the Edit button to perform some basic functions on the desktop, such as moving areas. The Performance tab is similar to the Layout tab, but instead of the shop floor preview, you get an overview of your recordings and can manage them. We have created a new area for the library. Here you will find an overview of all objects that were previously only displayed in the Layout library in VR. You can search for, export, rename, and delete individual elements. Navigate through the categories on the site to manage custom load carriers and reach distance avatars. Here you will also find the configurators. In Halocline Assembly, you can now have the menu open and interact with all objects in the environment at the same time. With the function Show Body Contacts, you can see where your body overlaps with parts. As body, your virtual hands are considered, and as beta function, you have the possibility to show your arms additionally. In the settings window, you can turn Show Body Contacts and Show Arms on or off as you wish. In Halocline Layout, you can now place all objects more precisely by holding the trigger for a longer time. Use this function when placing objects from the library, when placing load carriers, and with the Duplicate tool. In the notepad, you will now also see videos to help you with your planning. To do this, place your video files in the Documents Halocline Notes folder. In Halocline Performance, you can now assign your recordings to the variant in which they were created. This way, you can keep track of many recordings and be more sure that the setup of the station matches the avatar's actions. A new analysis of your recordings gives you a direct overview of which areas of your station are ergonomically problematic. Based on the key indicator method, this analysis uses the parameters weight, distance, lift distance, and duration to evaluate the location of the objects at your station. The tabular report of a performance recording now contains another worksheet with all already known process and ergonomics information, plus the position and rotation of the hands and the moved objects. This significantly improves the further use of process and ergonomics data in other applications, such as the EMA Work Designer from EMK. Have fun testing the new functions. Help and further explanations can be found on our support website. We are looking forward to your feedback.